Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Sheikh. Sheikh Rehan. Rehan Sheikh, can you open the mic for me?
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now you can read it first. MCQ for me, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The force in the opposite
Opposite. Opposite.
direction of a moving
Opposite direction.
object that
Rehan, रुक. बेटा, opposite direction.
opposite direction of a moving object can hit to the object.
Option A. Read options.
Move it faster, stop it, change its shape, attraction.
Iron. Okay. Which one is the
Ma'am,
right?
stop
मैं read
it,
करूँ?
Yes, Rehan. बोलो पहले question. Answer बोलो.
stop it, stop it.
No, it's not stop it, beta. It's move faster because when you. Okay, sorry. Yes. Sorry. Okay, stop it. Very good. Okay, stop it. Okay, sorry. It was my mistake.
मैं
Very
read
good.
करूँ.
When you give force to the opposite direction, okay, force when you apply force in an opposite direction, then what will happen? It will stop the object. Very good. Yes, किसको read करना था? What is the name? Very
मुसा
good,
नहीं
Sheikh.
है.
Musani Kaf. Yes. Question number 2, beta.
All object thrown
An
up come
object, an object
thrown
thrown.
up comes down because of this force.
Yes. Can
B
you first बोलो option बोलो. Option A.
option A magnetic force, option
Yes.
B ela-
Elastic force.
elastic force, number C gravitational force,
Gravitational force.
gravitational force, number D buoyant force.
Buoyant force. Yes, reply the answer now.
Number D.
No, it's not that. The object thrown up comes down. Okay, for example, when you throw a ball, okay, to the sky, it is coming to the. After some time, what is happening? It is coming towards the earth. Okay, when apple is falling from the tree, it is coming to the earth, towards earth, not going to the sky. Why? Which force? Yes, Kef. Yes, beta, bolo, reply me.
Elastic force.
Gravitational force.
Mag- gravi-
Gravitational. Yes,
gravitation.
gravitational force. Because when it because gravitation is the force that is attracting towards earth. Okay, everything which is falling from upward, it will come to the earth because of gravitational force. And I have explained you know that water is falling from, okay, rain. Why rain is coming towards earth, not going to the sky, up above the sky? Because of gravitational force. Earth is attracting every drop of rain towards the earth. Okay, you can get a good example of a waterfall. Why waterfall? Water is coming towards earth, not going to the sky, because of gravitational, because earth is pulling everything towards the earth. Okay, so this is gravitational force. Okay. Now third one. Who will read it for me? Say me your name.
Arman Gori.
Yes, Gauri is
I'm
ready.
Hasan.
Okay, Garman.
Yes,
Hassan, बाद में करते. I'll give you a chance. Okay, wait a minute.
yes.
Where is
A
Ragib?
charged comb attacked pieces of paper due to this force. Ma'am,
Yes.
Hasan can give the
Okay.
answer.
No, I want. Okay, बेटा अरमान read करेगा, अरमान ही आंसर देगा. ठीक है हसन, I will give you chance in question answer. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. A charge. Arman, say the options. Where is
Electric,
Arman?
electrostatic force, LS,
Electrostatic force.
electrostatic force, LS,
Elastic force.
elastic force, gravitational force,
Buoyant.
buoyant force.
Buoyant force. Okay. Yes. Now reply the answer. I have explained you कॉम कॉम वाला समझाया था, फिर वो स्केल वाला भी समझाया था आपको कि आप स्कूल
Yes,
में
ma'am.
करते हो ना.
Elastic force.
No, it's not elastic force. It is. देखो ग्रेविटेशनल में अर्थ अपने आपको खींचता है. नो बेटा लेट अरमान फिनिश. नो बेटा लेट अरमान फिनिश इट. अरमान को याद आ जाएगा, अभी मैं उसको समझाऊंगी ना तो. बेटा इलास्टिक फोर्स इज अ फोर्स which regain the shape. Okay, it's elastic force. buoyant force जो पानी में फोर्स होता है वो होता है. ग्रेविटेशनल अर्थ वाला फोर्स होता है. तो बचा कौन सा?
Electrostatic force.
इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. यस, बिकॉज वो पता है आपको, अभी जो ठंडी है ना, तो क्या होता है पता है, हम ब्लैंकेट में जाते हैं तो कभी कभार हमको करंट लगता है. तो कुछ टच करते हैं तभी हमको ठंडी में करंट लगता है, राइट? पता
Yes,
है.
yes.
ओके. कुछ भी तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स होता है, क्योंकि हम ब्लैंकेट ओढ़ते हैं ना तो हमारे बॉडी में इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स जमा होता है. फिर अब एकदम एकदम से जब भर जाता है ना तो क्या होता है, हमको हमको स्ट्रेच करते हैं तो हमको करंट लगता है. वो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स है. वो हमको देखना, आप ठंडी में ही लगेगा, हम गर्मी में हमको ना लगे, क्योंकि हम ब्लैंकेट नहीं ओढ़ते ना ठंडी में, स्वेटर नहीं पहनते हैं. तो वो घिस घिस के हमारे साथ, वूल के साथ, हमारी बॉडी के साथ घिस घिस कर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स जमा हो जाता है, तो फिर वो करंट लगता है. यस, इट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. नाउ हु विल से? हसन, मैं आपको लास्ट में दूंगी. ओके, डोंट वरी. नाउ Samira Ghayal, open the microphone. समीरा घायल, बोलो बराबर ठीक से, क्योंकि नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा है आपका.
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. ओके. यस, कैन यू रीड फोर्थ?
A simple
मशीन
machine
इज अ, आई थिंक सो यू आर हैविंग नेटवर्क इश्यूज. बेटा आप थोड़ा जगह चेंज करो अपना.
मैम अभी आ रहा है.
हाँ, यस आ रहा है. अ सिंपल
मैम
मशीन.
अभी a
यस, रीड
simple
इट.
machine is a simple machine is a tool that makes our work.
ऑप्शन ए
Option
रीड करो.
is मैम ये क्या है?
इजियर.
Easier, heavier, harder,
स्लो.
slow.
Okay, which is the answer, beta? Which option
Good
is the
morning,
answer?
ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
number C.
No, beta. Simple machine. Machine is making our work harder ke easy. If okay, if I am, for example, I am using any machine. Okay, for example, motor. Okay, for me to collect the water is very hard. Okay, हम पोर्ट से जब कलेक्ट करते हैं तो कितना हार्ड पड़ता है उठना उठाना और ये करना. When I put a switch on of motor, what is happening in few minutes? My tank is getting full without any kind of effort. So our machine is making our work easy ke harder, heavier, slow. Which?
Easy.
Easy, very good. So machines is making our work easier. Okay, so hard नहीं करते हमारा work easy करते हैं. अगर हमको कोई भी कुछ काटना होता है तो हम वो सीजर से काट लेते हैं बराबर फटाफट सिंपल टूल से. तो उससे हम किसी सीजर नहीं यूज कर हाथ से यूज करते हैं परफेक्ट और अच्छा से काट सकता है नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज सीजर इज making our work easy and accurate. Okay, so any machines which we use that makes our work easy. Okay, so not hard. Next, the wheel and axle arrangement. Who will read next?
मैम
मैम नानी मोहम्मद रजा.
सेकड़े खान करूं. मैम सेकड़े खान.
Sheikh Rehan, beta nahi beta. Yes, yes, Raza. Beta, Sheikh Rehan, your turn is finished. Okay, I will give you next turn. Let me just complete with new voice. Yes, Sheikh. Sorry, Muhammad Raza, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. The wheel and axle arrangement cannot be C in A. Coffee grinder, B.
Grinder.
Bicycle pedal, C. Slide, D. Steering wheel.
Yes. Now, I have given some examples of wheel and axle. Okay. So, which examples are not of wheel and axle? Coffee grinder, bicycle pedal, slide with lesser putty. Okay. And steering wheel. Coffee grinder means a machine, okay, which grinds our coffee powder, making our coffee powders, okay. And bicycle is a bicycle pedal. Slide means lesser putty, and steering wheel is a car wheel, okay, which we can with the help of steering wheel we can drive a car. So which is not example of wheel and axle? Yes, Muhammad Raza.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer me. You know what is wheel and axle? छोटी wheel होती है, छोटी सी व्हील होते हो उसके साथ एक व्हील वेयर a small rod is attached. Okay, is known as wheel and axle. So what is answer? It's very easy. Bicycle is having wheel, right? Steering wheel is also having a wheel.
Yes.
So which one will be the answer?
Steering wheel.
But a steering wheel is having a wheel, na? Wheel and axle, it's an example of wheel and axle.
Bicycle pedal.
भाई बाइसिकल पेडल में भी होता है, हमको किस में नहीं होता है वो देखना है. हमको कैन नॉट दिया हुआ है, देखो कैन नॉट
Slide.
इसमें नहीं है. यस, वेरी गुड. स्लाइड, बिकॉज स्लाइड इज लेसर पट्टी. ओके, वो सीधा सा होता है, उसमें कोई मशीन कोई व्हील नहीं होता है, कोई एक्सेल नहीं होता है. वेरी गुड मोहम्मद रजा, वेरी गुड. नाउ वी विल डू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Okay, I want answer from Arif Dolia.
Yes, ma'am.
Arif, can you read first, fill in the blank for me?
Yes, ma'am. The dash force stop the movement of object across a surface.
Okay. The dash force is to stop the movement of the object across the surface. Yes, what is the answer? Gravitational, frictional. Very good, frictional. Because I told you that gravitational force is the force which attract things towards Earth, and frictional is the frictional is helping. Frictional is that force that helps to stop the object. Okay, हम जब ब्रेक लगाते हैं ना बाइक में या कार में, because of friction the brake we can apply the brake and the car or the bike is stopping. Okay, because of friction. Now question number 2, who will read? Fill in the blank. Number 2, I want Piryani Shafiq, open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read it? Number 2.
Yes.
Okay.
A piece of
Plastic.
plastic rubbed with rubbed with wall
Wool act
wool
like
acted like a dash. Answer is magnet.
very good. And answer is magnet, because I told you in electrostatic force what is happening when you rub any plastic things towards wool. It will act as a magnet and it will attract the pieces of paper. Now question number 3. Who will read it for me? I want I want Mumtaz Merchant, open your microphone. Mumtaz Merchant, open your microphone. Farhan Merchant. Okay, I think he is not responding me. I want Amin Mehta to open the microphone. Amin Mehta, can you open the microphone for me, please? Okay. Okay, leave him. Okay, yes, Hassan Kopasi. Hassan? Hassan, can you hear me? Yes, Hassan, can you hear me, beta? Yes, Ali Raza. Ragib. Nakvi Ali Raza. Yes, Nakvi Ali Raza. Can you open the mic for me? I think so my voice is clear. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why these guys are not replying me? Hassan, where is Hassan Kapasi and Nafi Ali Raza? Okay. Okay, Sheikh Rehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where are you, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you answer third number? Fill in the blank.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
A not record is a class level. Dash class level.
Yes. Second, third.
Second.
Very good. It is second class because load is in between and fulcrum and lever is in, sorry, fulcrum and effort is inside. So it is second class of lever. Now third one. Who will read Musani Kef? Are you there? Nakvi Ali Raza and Hassan Kapasi. Can you hear me? Uh, Ali Raza and Nakvi Ali Raza and Hassan Kapasi. Can you hear me? Okay, Gori. Read.
Ma'am. A fixed pulley has a fixed axle.
Very good. Fixed Excel. Okay. Now number 5. Who will read? Give me your name first. कौन रीड करेगा? Who will read?
मैम
Yes.
हसन
Yeah, Hassan, I was calling you. कहाँ थे बेटा आप? Why you
मैम
wasn't
नेटवर्क
replying? Okay, I was calling you, but you wasn't there. Okay, yes. Can you read number 5?
Yes, ma'am. Number 5th. A dash is a modified inclined plane. Option: wedge or screw. Screw. Ma'am, screw.
Very good. Screw. Screw is the modified inclined plane. Now you have to reply me the answers. Okay, very short. Just define in your own sentence. Okay. Don't worry about the language and don't worry about the mistakes. Okay. I will if it will be wrong, I will correct you. Okay. So don't worry about the language and the definitions. Okay, you just say it by your own. Okay, जितना भी आपको समझ आया, जितना भी आपको आता है, you just say it. Okay. First, can you define Nakvi Ali Raza? Yes, Ragib Hassan. Okay. Yes, who will say what is gravitational force?
Yes,
Say me your name.
ma'am.
बोलो yes. किसने बोला yes मैम? किसने बोला मुझे?
What, ma'am?
What is your name बेटा? What is your name? Say me your name first.
Ma'am, my name is Nakbiragi Vasan.
Ragib Hassan, where are you beta? I can't see you. Okay, can you read? Can you give me the
Ma'am, my
definition
name is
of?
Nakbiragi Vasan.
Okay, beta, can you give me the gravitational force? Define the gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Yes.
Ma'am, just a minute, I think. Hmm. Gravitational force. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I say
A
Dolia?
force which the earth pulls everything. Its center is called gravitational force.
Very good. Gravitational force. Can you give me one or two examples of gravitational force?
Ma'am, can I give or Dolia?
और डोलिया बेटा मैं आपको सेकेंड चांस दे रही हूँ ठीक है दूसरा Yes, Gragib, can you give me example of gravitational force? Okay, maybe he's having some network issues. Okay, yes, Ahadulia, can you give me the
A
examples of
falling
gravity?
apple from the tree.
Very good. And another example?
Hmm. No, I know only one answer.
Okay, can you give? Can you think if you throw a ball, what will happen?
The ball will attract the ground.
Yes, the ball will attract. What if because of gravitational force, rain is coming to the earth? Okay, and number fourth example is waterfall. Okay, water is falling towards earth because of gravitational force. Okay, very good, Ahad
Yes.
and Raghav. Now, who will explain me what is elastic force?
Ma'am,
Yes, elastic force. Sheikh Rehani, yes.
Can I, ma'am, or Dolia only?
ओके ये शेख
ma'am,
रेहान को बोलना है ये शेख रेहान को खत्म करने दो फिर मैं आपको नेक्स्ट
No,
पे
ma'am. शेख रैन तो नहीं कुछ का.
ma'am, bolu,
यस व्हाट इज योर नेम
Sheikh Rehan.
Yes, Rehan.
The force that beginning the destroyed soil body instantly back to its original shape is called elastic force.
Very good. Elastic force means which if we pull something, it will regain the shape of the object. Okay. So it is known as elastic force. Can you give me a few example of elastic force, Rehan? Example? Two examples?
And rubber band.
Yes, rubber band. And मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा दिया था फेवरेट वाला सबको एक बॉयज का जो फेवरेट होता है ना वो जो चीज उसका एग्जांपल दिया था मैंने
Chewing gum.
फिंगर यस ओके गुड वेरी गुड ढोलिया आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन बहुत अच्छी है वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन yes I have given another example of that squeezy ball smiley ball you know that yellow ball is coming when you squeeze that ball what will happen it will
Yes,
regain the
sir.
shape so it is another example of elastic force. Now buoyant force. Yes, Dolia, can you say what is buoyant force?
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
answer?
Hassan, आपको नहीं बेटा next chance, okay?
Which force, ma'am? Buoyant force.
Buoyant force, third one.
Okay, ma'am. I will read. Uh, ma'am, only 2 minutes, sir. The the upward force that make things float is called buoyant force.
ओके यस आपको है ना आपके उससे बोलना है ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में देख के बोलना है आपको जितना समझ आए ना आप
नो
भले
मैम मैंने टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं देखा है देखो
वेरी गुड ओके वेरी गुड देन वेरी गुड अब ओके कैन यू गिव मी दैन एग्जांपल ऑफ buoyant force
uh, I don't know very much but uh,
right yes anyone
ma'am
can give me yes
ma'am
बोलो यस बेटा
floating of floating of it on the
What, ma'am?
surface.
okay very good what you can see a sheep okay a boat it's floating na that is a good example of buoyant force now mechanical force who will say what is mechanical force can you give me your name
Ma'am, the force exerted by the machine is called a mechanical force.
बेटा वो तो मुझे पता है बट वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है मैकेनिकल फोर्स थोड़ा डिफरेंट है
तो मैंने जो फेयरबुक में था वो लर्न किया है
ओके वही दिए बट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट आप देखो वहाँ पे मैकेनिकल फोर्स कितना यस इतना तो दिया ही है ओके द फोर्स एक्सेलेड बाय मशीन फिर उसको क्या दिया था
is called mechanical force.
हाँ ओके बट मैकेनिकल फोर्स आर आल्सो exerted फ्रॉम द टू सरफेस कमिंग इन कांटेक्ट विद ईच अदर थोड़ा इतना एक ये लाइन थोड़ी ऐड करनी है ओके
Yes.
okay can you give me the example of mechanical force yes yes boys can you give me
Is moving
Ma'am,
by both.
magnet.
no beta is a magnet is the magnetic force yes Ragib Hassan shake your hand can you give me an example of mechanical force
The road while moving are both example of
okay yes walking is also a good example of uh, Now who will say me the next one?
मैम सेकंड बोलूं?
Beta.
Ma'am, Asan?
Yes, yes. Rehan, आपका turn आ गया अब. Where is Ragib? I think he is having some network issues today. Okay. So maybe okay. Our time is finished. Only 5 minutes are left. Okay. So मैं ये question answer start नहीं करवा रही हूँ.
Ma'am, one answer do.
Well, let me just talk with you. I'm stopping. I'm stopping my. Okay. Yes. What do you want to say? Which answer you want to say?
Ma'am, answer one we done in
Please.
5 minutes.
Which one? What happens when force is applied on moving object?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, in that doubt that ma'am, in,
When you
I
apply.
no ma'am, I searched the answer in my own in textbook. So I searched the force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move fast.
Okay, yes. When you apply force to the moving object, okay, what will happen? It will move fast. अब अगर example दो, अगर आप कुछ move
Ma'am,
हो रहा
example is pushing a trolley.
yes, pushing a trolley. Yes, if you are pushing trolley in the moving direction, what will happen? It will move fast. आप अगर कोई भी चीज लो, अगर जिसको पुश करते हो तो सेम डायरेक्शन में क्या होता है वो चलने लगता है फास्ट फास्ट ना सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग ओके सो हम ये क्वेश्चन
This
आंसर
answer
और
is
लॉन्ग
right, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन आंसर नेक्स्ट उसमें करेंगे ठीक है नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में
Ma'am, this answer is right, no?